Hello everyone, welcome to our big data project. This is a recommendation app where we give you 3 recommendations and you get to pick a restaurant near you based on your location keyword and time that you would like to go to. Before we get into the recommendation system or the app itself, let's look at the behind the scenes. Our app is completely based on Google Cloud Platform. The web application itself is HTML, JavaScript, and CSS that is hosted in Firebase. The database that contains all our tables is in Firestore, and the communication between Firebase and Firestore is done through Cloud Function that implements Python. The dataset is from Yelp, which contains all the reviews by the users on different businesses. Our focus here for this project was just on the Las Vegas region for the business type restaurants. So the model that we have implemented in our app is a content-based model which uses the vector space between the different types of restaurant and recommends the closest ones. Here is a elaborate view on the components that we use on our recommendation engine. You can find this in our GitHub page. Let's get into our web app. Go to recares.web.app. You'll see our recommendation engine pop up. It's a very simple interface. I'm sure you can get the hang of it, but let me walk you through. Here in the drop down, you would find 10 random restaurants populated. If you don't find your restaurant, you can refresh the data. Here I'm going to choose Korean barbecue as my favorite restaurant, and you can read how this works, but let me make the recommendation. It is a slow process because it has to send data to the cloud function and get data. So please bear with me as it runs through. And voila, you get your recommendation. Here, one thing is that we take Downtown Grand Hotel as your location because we have not dynamically located your location. So let's just say you are residing in that hotel and you want to go to Mr. Tofu. So when I click on it, it gives me the driving directions from that place to that place. We can see the distances pretty less than 10 miles. You can use this app and also read below on how the model is implemented and a few resources that could help you understand the model better. You can also go to our GitHub page, which contains the README document updated with all the steps and all the files that are present. A quick recap, we have 2 cloud functions running behind to fetch you the data you require, and our main front end is based on Firebase that has all the stats on my users and everything. This is a complete package, and please explore and let us know what you feel about our app, and we look forward to your feedback.